Okay, so today we are in Jacksonville Beach. We're looking at an amazing new construction home. I'm really excited for you because if you're planning on relocating into Northeast Florida and you're considering living in Jacksonville Beach, this is a new construction home that I think you should absolutely add to your list. You are only minutes away from the beach by bike ride. You're a few minutes drive to the Baptist Medical Center. And then you have all of the shopping and dining that comes with living in the beach. And of course, you just can't beat the lifestyle of waking up to the sunshine. You walk outside, you're sipping some coffee, and you're just feeling that nice salty air breeze. There's nothing like it here in Florida. I can't wait to show you this home. And if you are considering relocating into Northeast Florida, go ahead and reach out to me whenever you're ready. Of course, there's truly no pressure. However, I've helped a lot of families successfully relocate into Northeast Florida, and a lot of them have reached out to me through YouTube. So I'm available for you whenever you are ready. You can call me, text me, email me, whatever you prefer. But let's have a conversation on what a move could look like. All right, let's hop into the video. All right, we are in Jacksonville Beach looking at this amazing new construction home. I love the wood look on the door, the garage. Not something you see every day out here. You also have that metal roof, which is super durable. Now this area is pretty amazing because you have, you're only minutes from the beach. You can ride your bike there. You're right next to Baptist Medical. You have all of the shopping and dining that comes with living in Jacksonville Beach. There's just quite a bit here. I can definitely email you a lot of the different things that you have available because this area is absolutely booming. I think you're gonna love this home. Let's go ahead and hop in and take a look. All right, we are inside. You have this really nice entryway. These are 10-foot ceilings, so it feels very spacious already. Pretty big kind of drop zone closet here, so this will be perfect for your coats, your shoes. You also have, just to kind of show you what these doors look like, really beautiful. And then they have it staged here with like a little seating area, but very easily you can get like a shoe rack, whatever makes sense for you and your family. You have your downstairs bathroom, a little bit bigger than what a powder room would look like. So great size right here under the staircase. Just a very good use of the space. And of course, everything in here is 2026. So you're looking at a completely true brand new construction home. If you're moving into Northeast Florida, this is definitely a really good one for you. So here we have that 2-car garage. You even have, I really like this detail, you have the wood even there on the trim. And then you do also have, if you have like a Tesla or an electric vehicle, you have the hookups for that as well. Okay. Now being 10-foot ceilings, you'll notice too, these are 8-foot tall doors. So you really can feel the spaciousness of everything. We have our laundry room. Really nice size. Kind of wish they had a sink here, but that's not a big deal at all. And you can see as well, you do have these soft close there, so great touch. Okay, and that leads us into our kitchen. This is definitely gonna be a make it or break it kind of decision. You're gonna have to decide if this kitchen actually would work for you. If you like to entertain, have guests over, you're a kind of a family-oriented type person, I think you're gonna enjoy this kitchen. It's very open floor plan because you have the kitchen with the dining area right next to it. But in the kitchen here, you have really good separation, so you're not knocking into people's shoulders, stepping on any toes. You do, of course, have the soft close on the island, very nice with these high-end finishes. Definitely a lot of space there, really cool. And then right behind there, you have your electric stove with the ventilation system at the top, plus a pot filler. Really cool. If you watched my upgrade video, it's nice that the home already comes with that, with a really nice backsplash as well. Let's check out some of these cabinets. Great amount of space. I'm 5'6", and so this is kind of like my eye level. So everything is within reaching distance very easily. And of course you have the soft close. We do have a corner walk-in pantry. I really appreciate these because everything, again, just really easy to grab and go, grab and go. Now you do have an electrical socket in here. Not quite sure what you would use that for, but still really convenient if you've been looking for that. And then they keep the backsplash really consistent with the rest of everything. Now again, I'm 5'6". I can reach the top of this storage space without stepping on my toes. So that is a good sign. Really nice. Okay, directly behind me, we have your seating area or dining area. Again, I mean, this home is really meant to just be, I mean, it's family oriented. It's small but large at the same time. Just that open floor plan really keeps you close knit, but this is what you'd be working with. You might be able to get away with an 8-seater. So that would extend like out to this size if you need more space. Then we have your living room. Now this is where the magic is gonna happen. This is where all of the family gatherings are gonna be. As you can see, you get a lot of natural light. I mean, you have windows here and then all throughout just kind of wrapping around. So that's really cool. Not sure what your setup would be, but the way they have this set up, your TV would go there. And just from the living room, I mean, you have a good eye line of the rest of your bottom floor. Really beautiful. Again, lots of natural light. Pretty significant. Now we're gonna make our way into this room here, and we're gonna look at the backyard last, so definitely stay tuned for that. Now here will be your downstairs primary. 2 windows again, letting in a lot of natural light. You have your oversized windows there. This here's a king size bed, so that really gives you a good idea of the amount of space that you're working with in here. Not bad at all. Now going into your primary bathroom, this is really nice. I love the sliding barn door. Not for everybody, but I think it really works for this model. Now on either side of me, you have your walk-in closets. So kind of like a his and hers walk-in closet. Decent amount of space in here. And that'll just be the same size on both ends. Okay, now this is where I think it's pretty magical because you have the dual vanities, but you each have your own section. So take a look at that. Beautiful colors, really nice finishes. You have the soft close. This has actually become a pretty popular option, having like this kind of off gray with the white and then the bronze look. Let me know in the comments how you feel about that. This is just your toilet, really high ceiling, covered by the door. And this is just that other one. This one's a little bit bigger than the one behind me. So ladies, I already know this is yours. Men, we will have the one next to the toilet. And then let's check on your walk-in shower. Now, no soaking tub in here, but you have the outside pool for that. I'm just kidding. So you have the really nice kind of felt feel all the way up to the ceiling. Really luxurious. You also have the 2 shower heads coming from above. So the 2 overhead showers with the controls conveniently located here. You also have that window just letting in some more natural light. Gosh, this home is just so bright and vibrant. Now, if you're considering relocating into Northeast Florida and you want to learn more about like what Jacksonville Beach has to offer or what other new construction areas are available for you, reach out to me just whenever you're ready. There truly is no pressure, but I've been helping a lot of families successfully relocate into Northeast Florida. I would love the opportunity to help you as well. Don't hesitate, reach out whenever you're ready. Now coming up the staircase, again, you have another massive window, even more light, very consistent look all throughout. My wife would absolutely love this home because it has so much light and you're so close to the beach. Now we're upstairs, another 2 windows coming in, and then you have this really nice loft area. Ooh, a little winded from coming up the stairs. And here's what that would look like from here. Very, very nice. Now you can already tell just based on the way this door is set up, this is gonna be your HVAC upstairs. All right. Okay, you have a coat closet here right before you enter into one of these secondary bedrooms. So stepping into the bedroom, this is the amount of space you're working with. Not bad at all. You know, if you buy a home like this close to the beach, you're probably gonna be here for a while. So it's really nice to have a room this size. And then it does have a walk-in closet as well. I would say this walk-in is probably about the same size as one of the walk-ins in the primary bedroom. Yeah, not bad. Now I really like here, it's kind of just this open area. Just adds a little bit more space to the room or to the house. So you have another closet here. I mean, if you make your loft area kind of like a game room, a lot of stuff that you can put in these closets as well. Okay, now directly behind me, this is gonna be your upstairs bathroom. Really nice finishes. You get the dual vanities here as well. And then just that single mirror. You have the soft close all throughout, which is very nice. And then you also have your tub and shower combo with the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Now, of course, this is a move-in ready model, so everything you see is yours. Minus the furniture, of course. But here is that next bedroom. This one is just a little bit bigger than the other one, it feels like. And then you have that walk-in. Really nice to know that all of your secondary bedrooms have walk-in closets. Again, just really helping that multi-generational living. As your kids grow up, they're gonna need bigger closets. These walk-ins are gonna work perfect for that. Now you're near some A-rated schools living on the beach, as well as a lot of parks. There's just so much to do here if you do have kids. So then here is that other bedroom. Now this one kind of feels like a primary to me, just with how big it is. Quite frankly, if you prefer to have your primary upstairs, I would say this is a really good option for that. So this is gonna be the closet. It's basically just one big walk-in. It's basically the same size as the 2 walk-ins in your primary downstairs. This is kind of the same, just if they were put together. So really good amount of space in here. And like I said, these ceilings are tall, so it feels even more spacious. You can easily DIY a good storage system in there. Now, similar to the primary downstairs, you have that barn door here. Really nice tile work as well. Now, you do sacrifice the dual vanities that are on separate ends, but this is pretty separated enough, I think, to where you can kind of get away with it. Again, you have your soft close there. This is really nice. This is pretty unique. I haven't seen this in many primaries. Yeah, that's really cool. Now, another downside, if you were to make this your primary, and I say downside, it's really just what works for you, is that you don't have a door here blocking the toilet. So just keep that in mind. And then your shower, you only have the one shower head, so it won't be like the rain shower ones coming down. You do also have that kind of similar feel with it going all the way up to the ceiling. So that is very nice. Similarly, no soaking tub in here. So not bad at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our way downstairs. Now, what's really amazing about this home is that it already comes with a pool, so that's not something you're gonna have to add in later. Now, if you're considering new construction here in Northeast Florida, I would say one of the biggest mistakes buyers make when they're moving here is they reach out to the on-site agents. The on-site agents, they work for the builder, meaning they work to get the builder the best possible deal. Most people tend to lose money when they work with the on-site agents. If you want to be able to save the most amount of money possible, reach out to me whenever you're ready. There's no pressure. However, I would love to show you an opportunity, or I'd love to show you how my expertise could help you save the most amount of money possible. Okay, so we are downstairs. Now what's really nice is that these are pocket doors, so you can slide it all the way to the end on either side. So we're gonna come out through here. And just to show you what it looks like fully extended, there we go. Very nice. Let's take a step outside. So stepping outside, you don't have the front part covered, which I know for some people that might be a deal breaker. You can always get this extended later on if you want, but you do already have this kind of pergola here, which is really nice. You have the electric sockets on every single portion here, and then that controls the lights and the fan right above me. So I mean, really beautiful. You still have some yard space if you have pets, for the pets to use the restroom or whatever you want to do back here. Very convenient. Also, not a whole lot of yard maintenance as well with a yard this size. And then here we have your pool. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're moving here during the summertime, you're definitely gonna appreciate this pool there. And then here is another orientation of the house, and you can kind of see that metal roof. And you'll notice too the water softener there on the side. Really beautiful home. A lot of yard going that way. Let's check out that other side as well. Yeah, still quite a bit of yard heading that way as well, and fully fenced in, so you get quite a bit of privacy back here also. All right, and that is new construction in Jacksonville Beach. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about it. What's your favorite part? What's something you might change? And if you want to learn more about this particular home, reach out to me. It's definitely going to sell fast, and I will send you as much information as possible. God bless, and stay tuned. I want to show you some other homes in this area. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. It would encourage me to continue to make these videos for you. And if you are considering relocating into Northeast Florida, and maybe you want to live by the beaches here in Northeast Florida, go ahead and reach out to me. My number and email is on the screen. I've helped a lot of families successfully relocate here. I would love the opportunity just to talk to you, see how I may be able to help you. Again, no pressure. Now, I chose these two videos because it's gonna give you a good idea of what other new construction is available in the area. And if you want to figure out what upgrades you should make, what builder you should work with, all of these different things, I have another video here where I kind of go into more detail for that. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.